Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix allow camera access missing on your iPhone app. So let's get started. Very first thing is you're going to see if you can actually give it access by going into your setting. And then from there on, we're going to go to privacy and security. And under privacy and security, we're going to go down to the camera section. Here, if you have a toggle off for an app that you need to give access, just simply toggle it on. Another thing to keep in mind if you recently installed the app is to actually go ahead and open the app and try to use the camera on it to record or something. For example, on like a TikTok, I would open it up and click on that plus icon on the gear and it's going to ask me allow access. I'm going to give it allow access. So that's going to be a quick way to do it, and you would do it for the app that you need access for. Now let's say those aren't working. The next thing to do is check out these settings. So you're going to start by going into your main settings again, and we're going to look at this time, screen time. And then specifically on the screen time, it's going to be content restrictions. If you have content restrictions on, you need to make sure that it is basically turned off, specifically for the camera as well. That's going to be under allowed apps and features. As you can see, if camera is turned off, you need to make sure that is allowed and turned on. Additionally, you can also just simply turn this off temporarily and see if that fixes it for you. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to want to do is update the app itself. So you're going to update the app. So you're going to start by going into the App Store, and then you're going to tap on your profile and then look to see if it has an update. For example, Facebook has an update. I'll click on update here and look for the app. If there's an update for it, go ahead and update for it as well. Now, after you have found the app and updated, it's still not working, it's time to go ahead and simply restart your phone. So for this, you're going to use the volume up and the side button at the same time. You can press and hold, turn it off, slide, and then turn it back on. Or you can also do it from the top here, the power icon here. You just tap on it, slide off, and turn it back on. Now, once you have done that, it's still not working, it's time to go ahead and update your phone software. So in your setting, go to General, Software Update, and update your phone just to make sure it's not an issue with the iOS itself. Now, let's say you updated the phone and you're still having the issue. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is simply delete and reinstall the app. For this, of course, really simple. You press and hold, click on remove, delete app, and then go to the App Store and then search for that app and then reinstall it. Once you reinstall it, do the same process. When you open it up, click on the camera icon or whatever it requires to upload or use the camera and see if it allows you to do that. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is in your settings, you're going to go to General and then go down to Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and this time we're going to do basically reset location and privacy. Go ahead and enter your passcode and let it reset it. This will not delete your data, it's just the settings around your location and privacy. And another thing to keep in mind is that sometimes the camera access might be locked down if you have a school or a work iPhone, and usually you can check this by going into your settings, General, and then taking a look at VPN and device management. If it's again managed by your work or your school account or an organization, you might not have access because they disabled it completely. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.